Today, I want to show you how you could use an adjustable ankle weight to help stretch your knee after a total knee replacement surgery. Today's exercises only apply to very stiff knees that have a hard time straightening the knee as well as bending the knee. If you could easily straighten your knee, or if you could easily bend your knee to or past 90 degrees of knee flexion, today's exercises might be too easy for you. Straightening the knee is the #1 rehabilitation goal for knee range of motion after a total knee replacement. After a total knee replacement surgery, the knee is very stable and is ready to be stretched. The biggest concern during rehab, besides infection and swelling, is the knee getting too stiff. If you cannot straighten the knee completely, an adjustable ankle weight is a very helpful tool. To use an adjustable weight to help you straighten the knee, first, put the towel roll under your ankle, then put the ankle weight on top of your knee. From this position, try to relax your leg as much as possible. Take slow and deep breaths to help you relax your knee and let the gravity and the ankle weight help you straighten the knee. If your pain level is high, you could start with a low weight. If your pain level is low, you could use a higher weight. Try to stay in the stretching position for 5 to 10 minutes and try to do this stretching exercise for at least 3 times a day. If you feel like your knee pain is increasing after stretching for a while, you could get out of this position, loosen up your knee, and try again. The second most important rehab goal for knee range of motion for total knee replacement is bending the knee to 90 degrees. If you could bend your knee to 90 degrees, you will have a much easier time sitting in the car, and if you sit in a public space, you wouldn't be tripping anyone. To use the adjustable ankle weight to help you bend your knee, you could sit at the edge of your bed or on a high chair. Make sure that whatever you're sitting on, the leg is not able to touch the floor. This way, we can use the gravity to help bend the knee. So start by putting the ankle weight around your ankle. Then, sit at the edge of the bed or the chair. Try to relax your knee as much as possible. Take slow and deep breaths to help you relax your knee. Let the gravity and the ankle weight stretch and bend the knee. You could try to stay in this position for 5 to 10 minutes or whatever you can tolerate, and do this exercise at least 3 times a day. It is a good idea to warm up your knee before you do these exercises. It is also a good idea to ice your knee after you do these exercises. To completely recover from your knee replacement surgery, please consult with your local physical therapist or physiotherapist for a personalized rehab program.